routine and I want to show you a delicious seasonal sauteed ravioli dish. So what I have here is some ravioli. This is the Rising Moon ravioli. This one is vegan. It's just with butternut squash. I really like this one. So I just pre-cooked 2 packs of this. And then I have some pre-cooked sausage you could use. There's lots of different varieties of plant-based sausages out there. You can use whatever type of sausage you'd like. And this is 1 pack of sausage, and I just sliced it up on a diagonal and sauteed it. And then I've got some other fun ingredients to add really nice flavor here. I'm gonna saute some onion. I have a little bit of cooked baby broccoli, or you could use broccoli rabe. This was 2 bunches. And then I have a 1/4 cup of pesto, and this is a lot of garlic. I'm not gonna need all that garlic, but I'll use maybe a teaspoon of chopped garlic. I have some mirin, or you can use rice wine. About a tablespoon of currants, and then we have some sea salt and pepper. I'd say that's about a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and some cracked pepper. So this, as I said, these are cooked already, so all we have to do is basically saute the pre-cooked broccoli rabe with some onion and garlic, and then just bring it all together. So it's a nice, fast, easy meal if you do a little bit of prep beforehand. I forgot to mention you want to add a little bit of olive oil for the saute, so maybe a tablespoon or so over medium heat. Let that oil get nice and hot. Then go ahead and add your diced onion. This is about 1 onion diced. Add a little sprinkle of salt to get the onion sweating. Cook the onion for a few minutes by itself to soften it, and then add your garlic. So once your onions have softened, we're going to go ahead and add the pre-cooked baby broccoli. You can add mushrooms to this if you like, or asparagus, red pepper. Add the remainder of your sea salt and pepper, or to taste. And then turn your heat down and add your sausage to warm it back up. Then we're going to add the ravioli. We're going to pray that it all fits in this pan. And our currants. And of course, don't forget about your pesto. This adds such great flavor to this dish. And just very gently toss it just to coat everything with the pesto. So here's our finished ravioli. This just looks so delicious. I can't wait to dig into it. It's a nice hearty fall dinner meal. You're gonna love it. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it now to top it off with some pine nuts. That's the only way this dish could get even better, is with the crunch of yummy pine nuts all over. So I hope you try this recipe, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.